Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I rise to support the General Insurance Business Nationalization Amendment Bill 1989. Sir, the general insurance industry is one of the profit-making enterprises in the public sector with a sizable contribution to socially oriented schemes. As the bulk of the population of the country lives in rural areas, the special target area for concentrated action on the part of the general insurance business must also be directed towards villages. The emphasis so far given on various rural areas with regard to general insurance may now be shifted to rural areas. It would be interesting to know if the Honorable Minister can give me the statistics of the percentage of business of the General Insurance Corporation in urban areas and what it is at present in rural areas. If these statistics are known, probably the government may be able to fix its attention on the rural areas also where general insurance is needed. Sir, the present ceiling of rupees 75 crores as authorized capital is now considered inadequate with the growing population and expanding business. Therefore, through this bill, it is sought to be raised to rupees 250 crores. It is an increase of rupees 175 crores. Sir, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister whether it is adequate keeping in view the anticipated growth of the income and profit of the corporation in the next 10 years. If we see the growth in the last 10 years, I think the capital base could have still been increased without coming to the house again because in the next 10 years the growth would be tremendous as far as the general insurance business is concerned. I think the Honorable Minister may consider that the unauthorized capital may be raised to take a realistic view of the situation. Sir, the GIC is one of the highest taxpayers in the country. Therefore, a further increase in the authorized capital would have given further impetus to the activities of the corporation, and that is why I pleaded that the capital could have still been raised. This is another reason for doing so. Sir, the coverage of the GIC has also to be increased so that it could serve a larger number of poor and unorganized people in this country, especially the rural areas. Full stop.